Let me show you how to make this giant snowflake with no special supplies. I made it with 8.5 by 11 plain white paper, scissors, and glue. This project is popular to do with brown paper lunch sacks, but I don't like the look of the brown, and white sacks can be difficult to find and also expensive. So I've made this project just with 8.5 by 11 regular office paper, scissors, and glue. The first step is to make 9 pouches with your paper. So take one piece of paper, put a thin line of glue down each edge and across the bottom, and then stick another paper on top of it. So you're basically making a pouch or a sack, leaving the top free. Once you've made all 9, let them dry completely before continuing. Now we're going to glue our pouches together in 3 sets of 3. So leave the open part at the top and put the glue in an upside down T. So put some glue across the bottom and then in the middle about halfway up. Glue 3 together this way and then make 2 more sets of 3. Let these dry completely before continuing. Take one set of the 3 pouches that are glued together, and with the opening at the top, fold the whole bundle in half. Do the same thing with the other 2 bundles of 3. With one of them, cut out your snowflake design. You can cut it however you want. Leave about 5 or 6 inches at the bottom so that you don't want to cut that part, but you can cut around the edges and on the inside edge and the top any way you would like. Keep your snowflake folded in half and place it on one of the other folded bundles. Then use a pencil or a pen to trace the pattern because you want all 3 of the bundles to be exactly the same. Cut it out and then do the same thing with the other bundle. Once you have them all cut out, unfold each of the bundles and stack them on top of each other, gluing the same way we did in the beginning with the upside down T. Let it dry completely. Open up the snowflake. This can be a little bit tricky, so just be really careful as you manipulate it open. You don't want to tear anything. Just be gentle and patient and slowly bring the 2 ends together. So you want to glue the 2 ends toward the bottom. So put some glue on there, and then I find it's easiest to stick my hands inside the pouches, press it together, and just hold it there for a few minutes until it sticks really well. When that glue is dry, you're finished. You can try hanging them with fishing wire from your ceiling or hang them in the windows. Any way that you display them, they'll be beautiful. Please subscribe to my channel for more great craft projects. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.